it's Life with CaityB back again with another video, and my mama B is joining me again, but this time she's gonna be doing my makeup.
So guys, my mom's never done any makeup before. The only kind of makeup she wears is either mascara or lipstick, and that's pretty much it. She's one of those old school OG keep it natural women, you know what I'm saying? Wow. So yeah, I got all this makeup set out on the bed, on my desk, some brushes right next to me, because I didn't realize how much makeup and stuff I had to have. But yeah, so my mom's gonna find it hard. She's gonna be struggling. You know, she's already struggling. She's trying to ask for advice, and I'm like, no. But yeah, let's get into this and see what kind of skills my mama has, guys.
I can't even do my own makeup, guys, so...
You should have asked me ages ago.
You don't want to look at the other panels?
Who's doing the makeup?
Oh, okay. You can use several at a time if you don't know, but... Alright.
First I'm going to use the...
Time to Prime Blurring Face Primer from Sports Girl. You guys won't be able to see the... Oh, yeah.
You're looking at the camera.
So you guys won't be able to see the products, because our focus is... Yeah, we're still trying to figure it out. What?
Wow.
Showing the products.
Use this. It looks pretty. I use this one because it looks pretty.
Yeah. So Mom's going to use this brush for my primer, guys.
Okay, now...
Feeling beautified, refreshed. You know, I think I'm done.
Okay, don't move something. Okay, next we're gonna do the
My mom's holding a Fenty Beauty concealer at the moment.
Concealer? Oh no. Oh yeah. Undo the...
In the shade Caramel.
I've seen you do this before.
Interesting. Oh. No. That's good. Hit me, mama. Oh, good choice.
Oh.
This brush is from Wish, by the way. My auntie got off of Wish with a contour palette. But yeah, it's not too bad of a brush. I must look like Beyonce right now.
You look like Bigonke.
Bigonke.
CaityB Bonke. Okay. Cute.
How's it look?
Looking good.
I thought so. My mum will always be providing.
I'm scared to make it too good because all the boys might come running.
Yeah. I mean, they're running anyway,
but they're going to run right past when they see me.
So Mom's using the Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade
Brown.
310 Pro Filter.
Brown is brown.
That's 10, mama. Man, my jawline is so sharp.
Don't worry, I use the contour on there.
So we're using a lip liner from Maybelline. It's just red. I can't see. And we're using the shade 35 Rebel Red Maybelline Vivid Matte Liquid liquid.
Okay, now we're going to do your eyeshadows. This is
the Morphe 39A palette. Ooh, interesting.
I know what I'm doing. You guys for your book go and use the small ones, but you really should be using these.
Show them the brush you're using. So my mum's using a nice size brush. It's a good shot. It's a good charge. But you hit us up, Mum. Oh, these are the names of the nice tiny brush there.
Okay, I use this one because you gave me that look. Okay, I'm gonna. What's this called again? Eyeshadow. Okay, I'm going to do like you know how you do painting and you do undercoat.
Yep. So this is the colour bear.
So I'm gonna go this one. Oh, already see it. So good. Okay, next I'm gonna go to match your lipstick. I'm gonna go with brown. And then I'm gonna use can I try this one? This is called Indigo. Oh.
You should have tried it on your arm.
Pretty! Shoot. I'm not. I
Do
don't
you
know.
want to wipe it off and start again?
Yes. Okay, I'm going to use a different brush. I'm going to use, I think I'll just go with Vibrant because my daughter's vibrant.
You know it.
So that's this one. Nut. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Breath smells like mint.
Listerine.
Ready? Done. I'm going to use
The Morphe M158 brush. It's got a spoolie and eyebrow angled brush.
so I'm using this.
A Morphe brow gel.
So that's that. I need to colour it.
Colour it. What do you want?
Oh.
It's a good brow product.
Yes, I want it.
Little get on my. Oh god. That's on my face earlier.
Oh, what? I thought you used this. It's not like the ones I used to use 10 years ago. Not that I need.
I feel like it's gonna prick a hole through my skin, mate.
Okay.
Looking like the rock.
Mascara. Because everything
Oh no,
looks,
that's not a mascara.
everything looks the same.
I'm using a NARS mascara. It's called Audacious Mascara.
Because you're so audacious.
I'm so audacious.
Yeah, whatever.
Okay.
It's dry. Don't move, I know what I'm doing. Go get my mom on me in a makeup.
Do it.
Really?
the NARS Calvin Klein, Stephen Klein palette. It's called Deeds of Shimmer.
Okay.
Can I get some color in my skin?
Oh, God. I'm gonna do the contour. Yeah. I'll do this first.
So Mom's gonna use a Fenty Beauty Truffle contour, cream contour.
Before I use that. Just do a side round.
We love a dark contour. Oh,
Mufasa.
Could've.
I don't know why you laugh. I'm just thinking, how the fuck am I gonna work it?
Some beauty blenders there too.
Oh, always wanted to use the. Oh, here. Highlight, yes, I was going to do that. I was just going to do that.
So we're using the Unicorn Dust Strobing Palette Beauty Essentials as the brand from Priceline. famz. And it's got unicorn colours.
All this on your face, I just don't get it. If you don't have a job where you have to wear makeup, you say you start at 6, what do you have to get up at 3? 2 hours to do makeup, 1 hour to drive.
Some people only take like 5 minutes for their makeup. Like depending.
I mean, someone needs to comment below, because you can't help yourself wearing makeup. What, is there any, I was going to say biodegradable, need to get rid of, so you're not getting your face reacts to these.
Some of the girls at work are saying they use Born This Way, like Too Faced and stuff, or these products that are good for their skin.
What, they cost 500 each?
I mean, I don't recommend girls wearing makeup. Minimal is better.
Amen. I've been telling y'all people to keep natural.
Minimal is better, natural is better.
Always.
I just wear lipstick, and I wear lipstick all the time anyway. Hide my great looking smoker's lips. But
Yeah. So what do you think, guys? Final look.
finishing spray. Oh, already.
Like Rihanna.
Oh, totally.
There's another.
So that one was sorry.
Oh, we're using the Mario Badescu cucumber aloe vera spray. Yep, only $10 or $11.
What?
Yeah, it's gone up, guys. It's gone up.
It's gone up. Oh my gosh, should have stopped that too.
I wish it was.
Yeah, I think that's it. I haven't missed anything. I've done the primer, I've done the contour, I've done the eyes, eyelash, eyebrow, I've done the lips. I've done it all.
What do you guys think? Comment down below what you guys think. I know it looks good. I mean,
I wouldn't make you look bad.
yeah, she would.
I wouldn't.
She would.
No.
She always wants to be.
No, you look like you want to laugh, but I'm serious. I wouldn't make you look. No, really, I can tell by that look on your face. But I'm serious.
Yeah.
put a lot of work into this. No.
I could tell by my mum's face that she's absolutely lagged.
Ready?
Okay.
Soak it all in when you look, okay, Dad? And then you look at the bigger picture. Okay.
Oh wow! My mum is so good.
I know, stop it.
Yeah, I can't see, sorry, the light's so bright. Oh, wow.
So out of 10, how do you rate?
This is actually not too bad, guys.
And what did you expect?
I thought it was gonna be really. It's really good. It's really great. I really like the eyeliner. No honesty.
Like the mirror?
I'll give this a solid 8.5 because this is not what I thought it was gonna look like. I thought it was gonna look like boom, like like tragic.
Oh, you think so little of me.
But yeah, what do you think of it, Mom?
I think a 10.
Yeah. I wish I looked like this at formal time. Yeah.
You really?
Yeah.
What, a formal?
Yeah, I wish if we could rewind back
You
time.
wish? Honest?
Maybe in the next lesson. This is so good.
Guys, I'll show you. This is how little faith she had all this ready for me.
All my products, yep.
Like all these toothbrushes. And then she had, like, excuse the blinker, but she had all this.
But let me show them my products.
Even had those brushes there.
Yeah.
And then she's got like lipstick.
Yeah. And I got more lipstick in the jar. But yeah, anyways, I still look hot. You guys can come knocking on my door anytime. Take some model shots first. I look like Frankenstein's grandma. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to tune into my next videos. Yeah. Adios amigos.